So, here's the do's and don'ts to let out customers know when doing their self-pickup order. Firstly, customers are not allowed to walk into our warehouse to purchase items. Placing orders via WhatsApp will also not be entertained. Performing a self-pickup on the same day of creating an order is not allowed. Instead, customers are required to place order via our website or Shopee beforehand. Please allow us at least 1 business days to prepare your order. Then, proceed to our warehouse for self-pickup and look for our signage. Head inside once you see our signage. Park your vehicle at the designated area. Present your order ID to our staff. Fill in your details required, and our staff will assist you to your order. Please be informed that we only provide helpers to those who need them.